Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. And today we're working on a Mercedes C-Class. This one is the W203, which is all C-Class from 2001 until 2007. That includes C160 80 200, all of them, the diesel. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be removing the door panel. So what you need to do first, right here, you need to go on the bottom with a flat screwdriver. You need to pry the bottom of the handle out, and then you just need to pull it. It comes out like that. Okay, we're going to be replacing the door handle too in the next video. Okay, next we need a Torx 25, and right here inside of this hole there is one bolt there. So we need to take this one off, and next on the top there is another one with the same tool again. Okay, this one we will not be able to get it out, but once we pry the panel out, it's gonna come out. So now with Torx 20, right here there is one more screw that we need to remove. And now under the airbag batch right here, you just pry it with a screwdriver. Careful, there is two clips holding it right there. There is another bolt that's supposed to be here with a Torx 25, but this one is missing. And now you need to get a prying tool, or you could use a screwdriver, and you need to be careful to locate the clips. Okay, right here you can see one of them. Second, so you need to be kind of like careful not to break them. Sometimes when they're old or they've been exposed to too much heat, they tend to break. They sell replacements on eBay. We've bought in the past, they're pretty inexpensive, like 20 for $5. And now, when you pry all the clips right here, we need to unscrew the latch, like that. You just to the left, you unscrew it like a regular nut. Now, next thing that we need to remove the speed cover right here. So you need to open it on this side. You might need to use a screwdriver, and then kind of like pull it like that. It comes right out of there. And now they tend to get stuck, so you need to kind of like lift it up right there. Okay, and the door panel comes right off. That's how you remove the door panel on W203. All we need to do next is just to unhook the handle latch right here. Okay, now to remove the cable for the door handle, you need to move it towards the front, pull up, and now the cable comes right out of there. And the only thing left now here is the wires for the seat controls right there. So you need to unhook this one and the window switches. If you have any questions, let us know. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.